What's going on, people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews, coming at you with another review for the month of June 2022. All right, so we're doing Thread Beast once again. Thread Beast, you know, I've been with Thread Beast for a couple years now. Been rocking with them pretty much throughout the whole entire pandemic. At this point, I have a brand new wardrobe that I still have barely worn. I've had to get a bunch of new shoes, which, you know, I don't mind doing, just so that I can keep up with all the stuff that I've gotten from Thread Beast. You know, they're pretty thorough. You take a look at some of my other videos, you'll see the outfits that they've sent me. You'll be able to see the ones that I've tried on and how they fit. And like I said, 8 to 9 times out of 10, I'm going to be satisfied with what they send me. Every once in a while, they send me something that's a little bit of a miss. What I would like to tell you is just make sure that you subscribe to this channel. You'll know exactly when I'm putting out more videos. And I also want to just share this is a personal message for Thread Beast. I think that for people like myself that have been subscribing for a year plus, you know, it gets to a point where we have more than enough clothes, at least for a while, and we need to cut it back, but we don't want to necessarily cancel our subscription. So how about you give us some more options, please? You know, I think quarterly would be good. And then I think every other month would be good. You know, for me, I think at this point, I think every 4 months, me getting a box, like that would be dope. You know, every 3 months me getting a box, I would definitely be able to work with that. And then for some people, you know, they may just want to start off with every other month, and that's how they're billed. Like, I think those options really do work. I probably would even spend a little bit more. It's not about the money. It's literally, I don't have room for these clothes. So think about that. I probably would be more inclined to do like the $250 baller box once every 3 months. Like, I think that would probably be worth it. Like, yeah, I mean, so really think about your business model there. All right, so let's see what we got going on in this box. Let's see. Okay, not quite sure what the brand of this shirt is. It's like a 01, and I don't know if it's a 5 or if it's just a symbol, but it's a nice little peach colored button-down shirt, tropical. You know, I'll be able to get a little rock out of this when I'm on the beach. That is definitely a shirt that I would wear on the beach. That is my old man tropical shirt, you know, since I am definitely an old man now. We got a Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt, which is just a plain, solid, you know, Crip blue shirt here. Yes, I did say Crip blue. This is Crip blue. This is that Nipsey Snoop Dogg blue. Very limited on when and where I could wear that. You know how LA be. Then I have a shirt called Hard Luck. And I think I have plenty of shoes that I could wear with this. I just got a pair of Jordans that probably would go well with this. I feel like this is that infrared color. Might be a little off. This actually might be like an orange color. I can't really tell off the top of my head off of looking at it right now, but we will see. It actually might be orange, but it's a cool shirt. Definitely will have to figure out a way to try to wear something with it. Another pair of crisp socks. We'll see what those are working with. And I think that, so that's $50 for the t-shirts. I think probably have to add $40 for the button down, $10 for the socks. So that breaks us at $100 even. And then a pair of pink dolphin shorts. I'm not really quite sure what to say about these, but you know, hey, they look cool. Don't know if I'm gonna go out of my way to try to find stuff to match up with it, but yeah. I mean, I already have a pair of shoes. I got a pair of Chucks that will go well with that. So I think that with everything that I have here, I think that I'm working with about $150, you know, somewhere around that. I guess the goal in me telling you exactly how much this stuff is probably worth is just so that you understand the value. If I'm only spending $85 a month and I know that I'm getting at least $150 worth of clothes, you know, you feel kind of satisfied with what you receive. I really suggest that you all give this a try. You wonder, who is this for? This is for any guy that you know is not a great shopper. And even if they are a great shopper, they don't have to do anything. They send you outfits. It's just about how you got to put it together with what you got or what you have. So give it a shot. You can cancel anytime. You're not obligated. You're not in a contract or anything like that. So just give it a chance and see what it do. I can definitely make a lot of this stuff work that I get. Like I said, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to be pretty satisfied. It's just that sometimes, like those items that they send, they fit a little small. Or the one time they sent me some jeans that were like slim jeans, skinny jeans. Yeah, I'm just like, why are you guys sending me these? Like, they say skinny on the label. Yeah, that just blew me. But yeah, if you guys have something that you just like absolutely hate, you're more than welcome to contact them and let them know, and they'll try to make up for it. They won't necessarily take it back, even though a lot of times, since I'm here in LA, I'm like, look, I hate this much, like I would bring it back to you. But then no, they obviously don't want anybody coming down to their warehouse or wherever they work out of. So it would actually be nice if they had like a little window somewhere for the people that are local, because I would like to think that a lot of people locally are receiving Thread Beast, so that you could just like, no, I don't like this, let me bring it back and let me get something else. Like, that's it, simple. Okay, yeah, instead of waiting a whole entire month for them to send it out. But it is what it is. That's just my thoughts and preference. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get ready to try this stuff on in just a moment. All right. If you've been curious about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or other stocks and cryptocurrencies, you've got to jump on it right now. I use Robinhood for most of my stock and crypto transactions, then Crypto.com for all of my other crypto needs. I've made thousands of dollars just by investing a few $100s. You can do the same today. Just follow the links in the description and watch your money grow. You won't regret it. All right, so I'm over here with the June box, and none of these outfits are gonna match because I'm gonna wear the shorts that I got in June's box, and I'm just gonna try on the different shirts that I got with it. So first up, this is what you get. Here are the shorts. Everything fits the way it's supposed to. So just take a look. No complaints. My size is my size. Unlike that tight ass shirt that was in May's box. Yeah, definitely a rock the t-shirt. Shorts, maybe. I'll figure something out. But yeah, let me go ahead and just try on the other 2 shirts, and then we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so we got the next shirt on in the June box. It's a Tommy Hilfiger shirt. I mean, it's actually really comfortable. It's like a linen type t-shirt. I like it. I'll definitely find a way to wear it. Maybe not here in LA, but you know, I'll figure it out. One more shirt to try on. All right, so this is the last shirt in the June box. And this is the same brand shirt from the May box that was really super tight. This one it's borderline. So Threadbeast needs to know that these shirts run small. So I'll keep it, but yeah, this one is definitely a borderline shirt, and I'll make it work just because I do like it. But overall, this is what you see, this is what you get. And you know what? We'll check you next time. For all of my digital and creative assets, I use Envato Elements to find stock photos, music tracks, web templates, graphic and video templates for all of my various projects. Check it out and take your creativity to the next level. And depending on the project, when I need high quality music tracks for video and audio clients, I always turn to Soundstripe. They have over 100,000 music, video, and special effects tracks to choose from that will take your creative projects to the next level. Sign up today and I promise you'll thank me later. The link will be in the description for both.